We have Cynthia. Yan si ma'am, dapat talaga. He is the mother there sa Filipino. He thinks of only what is good for everybody. Have I satisfied all of you guys? Then, my special thanks to you, especially to Governor, for si nag-take off na? Na-crash na yun. Kasi una-una. Pero ako, I'm flying back to Davao. Mag-chopper pa ako, magpunta pa ako ng airport. Maghanap pa ako ng bukid na para mabangga sa chopper. Kung makalusot ako, magsakay ako ng aeroplano, pauwi. Takot pala kayo mamatay ako? Wala kayong ano kay Leni? I live with you yung mag-iwan ka pa ng mga dalawa yung libro sa pare, nagbasa mo na ba hindi? Basahin mo lang, keep an open mind, and if you become more religious okay lang. Who wants to read about? Uy, maganda siya. Asawa mo, sir? Hindi ako nang babastos, ha? Misis mo? Oh, ma'am, ipahatid ko. Kunin mo dyan sa kanto. Atid mo. Hindi ako makatingin, nandoon yung asawa eh. Biro lang yan. Yeah, if you have time, you might want to make the rounds bookstores. The book is entitled Plural Popes. Mabili niya, basahin ninyo. Well, if you still are or is or will be a Catholic, fine. But at least you have a clear dimension of who is really God and who are making lives miserable because of God, using God. Even the wars ngayon, it's fought along religious ground. Basahin lang ninyo. Wala nang iba, libro?
Ginawa ko, sir. Basahin.
Bakit? Magpare ka pala?
Comparative religion, sir.
Mag-imam. Libro na ba? Hindi, nagpagkuha lang. Tingnan ko lang kung sinong bigyan ko. Ano kansa, purog high school? Hindi, babae, ibigay ko sa babae kay ang lalaki, hindi man talaga religyoso yan. Sige, kayo tingin sa screen, babae. Yung screen magbigay sa inyo dyan. Iba ako dito. Well, anyway, I'd like to thank you profoundly for this moment with you. I am sorry that I had to be late because I went to the DSWD and mag-distribute ako ng, yung pagtawid. And we will continue with that policy program because it's needed by the people. Anyway, wala man akong, I think I have complied with my basic promises. Ito lang, the fight, yung war sa drugs is a continuing one. And at least nasabi ko na sa inyo na kung ano ang. And media can have one copy kopyahin na lang ninyo. I'll give it to the media. Sinong nandyan sa media? Yung moderator palagi ninyo? The one who acts like the friendly guy who talks, who makes the opening remarks? If he's around, I'll give it to him. Yung taga-gobyerno, sino? Yung taga-gobyerno, yung pahawakin ko, then make sure you can agree by tomorrow that you'll have it Xerox so that everybody can have a copy. I'm sorry, but we have limited. Tsaka kumuha kayo yung report sa mga pulis. So, malaman ninyo yung mga idiots. There are always idiots in this. Happy birthday, Tat. Sandali. November 1 ako. Ano ba na? Totoo. Magtago kayo. Mahiya ako. Hala ko dyan. Sandali lang. Alam mo, it's really a queer thing to me. Pero kaya nga habulan palagi because I do not celebrate my birthday. I spend the time, I said, with if they come to the house, ang mga anak ko lang, pati mga apo ko. Corny pakinggan. It's a very corny thing. But, just like the others here, migrants kami, at least yung tatay ko. Mindanawan ang nanay ko. They met in Cagayan. But residente ang nanay ko kasi nga Maranao. But we had a house I remember when I was young. Dinadala ako ng nanay ko sa Marawi. But most of the time we stayed sa Iligan. Alam mo, pagdating namin dito, sa Davao, talagang mahirap. Mahirap lang talaga kami. I'm a son of a poor man. Ang history nito, huwag na lang ninyong pakinggan kasi nakukurnihan nga ako. As far as I can remember, at that time, every time mag-birthday ako, sabihin lang ng nanay ko na, "Nak, bigyan lang kita pang sine ha, tapos magpatay lang tayo ng manok." Yung ugis, tawag nila sa Bisaya, puti. Putulin yung, slit yung throat, tapos ilagay yung dugo dito, parang that was it for the day. Tapos manood ako ng sine. Pagupit ka na, tapos magsine. Ganon yan as far as I can remember. Ganon palagi. Sine lang. Because matagal kami yung traction. Kumbaga sa aeroplano pa sa runway, matagal kami sa runway bago kami naka-lift. Life started to be nice to us. Yung malaki na ako. So every time mag-birthday ako, para bang nagtampo ako sa panahon. That's the word. Para nagtampo ako sa kahirapan namin. Na I took it against the time na hindi ako makaselebrate ng birthday ko. At ngayon na kaya ko na, nagtampo ako, ayaw ko na talaga mag-celebrate. Because that was also what my father was doing. He really hated yung ako ayaw ko rin. And the better practice, if you really want me to, kita mo yung Boracay. Pagkatapos meron doon, mabuhay si Duterte, gano'n, salamat, Mayor. Hindi ako napunta. Tinawagan ko sabi ko, patanggal mo yung salamat, Duterte. It's not mine. I am a government worker. And I serve the people. You do not have to clap your hands. You do not have to give me more than what is due me. alam ko na, yan lang ang sweldo ko. Yan. Kaya yung mag-clapping, I am beyond that already. Yung applause na resounding applause, ganan. Nakukurnihan ako. Tsaka yung magtayo yung mga tao. Umupo lang kayo dyan. Yan ang feeling ko, personal, very personal to me. Corny nga, but it's a little bit weird na hindi talaga ako ng party. I do not like it. And the better that it's just left unsaid. Yan ang kaugalian ko. Ngayon, paski mag-birthday ako every city. But it's no longer, mate. It's no longer the appropriate time for me. I am 74. I expect to more or less pagbaba ko 76, 77. After that, I want to ako even thank God na pagkatapos patayin mo na lang ako. Magpahinga na ako. Tapos na ako eh. Nakuha ko na lahat. Nakuha ko na ang binigay ng Diyos na dapat lang sa akin. Yung hindi siguro dapat sa akin, hindi talaga binigay ng Panginoon Diyos. Pero what is due me, or what was due me, tapos na ako. Wala na ako. And this is the first time that or the second time that I don't remember it was the first time, but this is the second time that sinabi ko yung bakit ayaw ko naman sabihin sa inyo, I'd rather go to yung the usual tactic ng mga politician, which is also corny, magkain ka sa mga. But you know, one of the yung nag-organize ng Boys Town dito sa Davao, one of them was my mother. So matter of fact, she was the first president sa nag-handle ng Boys Town. Ang akin naman, if you go to the airport, before the airport, mag-left turn ka, meron dyan the home for the aged. Yung wala nang hindi ko binibida yan, ha? Pera ng gobyerno yan. I said, I work for the people. Pero ang maligaya ako dyan kasi it's very clean, it's very orderly, and I accept anybody and everybody. It need not really be monopolized by Davao City residents. Yung matatanda na tutulog dyan sa daan, ayaw nila. Yung iba ayaw nila eh. Lumalabas talaga. So, hayaan mo. But if you go higher, may makita ka doon sa itaas na parang mansyon. Ganun kalaki. And yan ang aking ginawa. Para malaman ng mga sinatawang misogynistic. Meron akong bahay dyan for children ng biktima who are victims of rape by their own father, uncle, grandfather, tapos diyan ko yan sila nilagay. Ginawaan ko ng magandang bahay at pinapaaral ko yan sila hanggang ngayon. At yung baby nila, kaya nga it's big eh. Kasi yung baby nila, kasama nila sa. Ang tawag ko is balay dangupan, parang house of refuge. Kung mayroon kayo, I prefer mga babae lang. I do not allow anybody. When I was mayor, not even the media could go near. Kasi kawawa eh. Mahiya siyempre yan. And they are not only sabihin mo sa class E, may mga C pati din na ayaw nang umuwi sa kanila because they hated their fathers. You know, there are some people who are really perverts. Yung mga, kaya, they bore a son, a daughter with their daughter, tapos mahiya yung bata. Kaya far from the madding crowd yan sila. They are not... pero if you have time, papunta kayo doon, magdala kayo ng mga sa babae, toiletries. I have not been there for 2 Christmas. I usually do not want to stay there long. Pero from time to time, nagtatanong ako. It's balay dangupan. Yun ang ano. And for those who think that I hate girls and women, you are wrong. Yung ito sila, sinasagad ko talaga, pati pare, sinasagad ko ang pagkabastos ko. Dahil galit ako sa kanila. Kaya kita yung mga pare, talagang sinigad. I'm bringing the issue of freedom of expression to the edge of the universe. Pero I really do not enjoy it. Pero galit ako, and the only way to also put them in their appropriate, ilagay ko lang sila sa pwesto nila. Sumobra kasi ang Katoliko. Ganito yan. If you criticize me, do not criticize me. Duterte, extrajudicial killing, babaero, ganun. You go out. You go out of your pulpit dito. I am Father Alejano, and I am a Filipino. I am criticizing Duterte being a citizen of this country. Being a native Dabawenyo, I am calling his attention now dito para sagutin kita dito. Pero kung dito ka sa simbahan, bibirahin mo ako, you run the risk. Ako, di talaga akong palugi. Di ako mamatay man ako kung mamatay, di ako palugi. So, with that, I say good night and I go home.
Thank you, Mr. President. At this juncture, may we request the President to grant a photo with the Region 12 and Maguindanao Province PDP slates in 5 batches. Please come on stage as called. Batch 1, local government officials in Region 12 and Maguindanao. Please prepare batch 2 in blue stickers, Coronadal City PDP Laban slates. Please prepare batch 3 in green stickers, General Santos City PDP Laban slate. Thank you so much. Up next, we have batch 2 in blue stickers. Please prepare batch 3 in green stickers. Please prepare batch 4 in orange stickers. In batch 4, we have the local government officials of South Cotabato. Please prepare batch 5 and pink stickers. Thank you so much. Up next, would like to request batch 3 in green stickers. Kindly prepare batch 4 in orange stickers. Please prepare also batch 5 and pink stickers. Thank you so much. Would like to request a batch 4 in orange stickers. Please prepare batch 5 in pink stickers. Batch 5 is the local government officials of South Cotabato. Thank you so much. Up and last, we have the batch 5 in pink stickers, the local government officials of South Cotabato. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. President, for gracing the Partido Demokratiko Pilipino Lakas ng Bayan PDP Laban campaign rally. We really appreciate your presence. A big round of applause for the President. Once again, madamo gid nga salamat sa aton pinalanggang nga presidente. Mabuhay po kayo, President Duterte.